Right, chimney's back on. Quite straightforward. Don't forget the screw at the bottom. You just click around the back. Tabs. Make sure the chimney's clear. You use it on gas. So all needs to be done now is slot it back in the hole. Right. Just shoving the fridge back in. Sit above the sun. Just at the very start, underneath this black things. So what I did, shoot a block of wood under there. Back that way towards me. So tilt it like that, so it's about the black things to start it right, you see tapping there, shoot it back in. There's a wire on there, gas, electrics. I'll show you a test with the gas. So I've got some stuff. What we'll do next is start this gas connection. Just what to do is just put some cell around here. Quite a lot of soap on there. Let it run on the gas for a bit. Great. So I'll check that gas connection again.